We're excited to be at EASTEC because we're here alongside our regional reseller, Simplest, and they have had a lot of great success at the show in the past, so we're glad to be here for the first time. We're excited to be here and see that the 3D technologies, especially in the metal space, is starting to grow and expand. There's more exhibitors talking about metals, and I think that in the traditional manufacturing space, it's starting to really take hold, which is very exciting. It's been good. We've been pretty busy and a lot of really good questions from both people that we've met before and also people that are just learning about the technology in general. So it's been a good one.